Doing the last bit of cleanup on this. Went and pulled the trunk rubber out. Everything looked good till the rubber come out, and naturally there's some rust spots. I'm going to show an economical way to fix some of this. I've done it with the 1/2-inch square tubing. This is going to take the 3/4, so it'll take a little more time and work to keep from crimping it, doing the curves. But I hope this shows where this will come out cheaper than ordering pieces of this, because you can readily get the 1/2-inch or 3/4-inch square tubing at like Depot, Tractor Supply, Lowe's, different places like that. It's $16 to $20 a 3-foot stick, so it's fairly economical to do it this way. I'm going to show you some of the bad places before I get it completely cleaned up, and then we'll go through the process of making curves out of this and how to make the lip and all to be able to weld these pieces back in to take care of your rust. But first, a tool tip from our sponsor, Primitive Pete. Okay, as I began to pull the rubber out, right here it kind of came with the rubber. That's actually a very easy fix there. I got some bad spots right here. And then this corner is where it's going to be the tricky part. Nothing actually see the holes all up in there, and then up under here. But this is what we're going to try to fix with some minimal tools. I'm going to try to show how to make this with the minimal tools. Right or wrong, it works for me. But like I said, I've never tried the 3/4-inch before. So I'll get everything set up and then I'll be back. This is square tubing I'm going to be using. And it might seem a little Neanderthal what I'm fixing to do. But if it's done slowly and allow the metal to stretch, it won't kink up. Hopefully, I've never done one this big and thick. But I can get a nice bend in it and then go back and forth and check it with where I've got to replace it with. So basically, this is what it's going to look like. I got an old piece of railroad rail here. It's good stuff. I'm going to do cuts in it to bend it and weld it back up, but that may just be the case. This is thick. So let's revamp. All right. I'm gonna take this moment. I'm gonna take me a piece of cardboard and draw me a curve so enough to go with, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got my curve here. Now I just got to work that into it. Alright, need a few more slices. Alright, it's pretty much matching what I need to be. Now I've got to slowly spot weld these up so it doesn't move around on me or burn through. And I got to put a wrench on it. It's slightly twisted, which there again is not a big deal. And that got it. Check to see if I moved any. Where were the tolerances? I'm doing hot, fast tacks because I want it to penetrate, but I don't want it to burn through. Alright, it ain't spreading out. That's good. That was heavy. Well, I'll be back after I find where I put my roll lock. I think it's up to the other garage. And then we'll clean this up and see if we need to do it again. I like using the angle, but I found a straight and that will work. You just have better control holding the angle. And eat less sparks. I am gonna have to come back and weld that center. That's okay. And there we go. I do want to clean it up and make it look as nice as possible, because it is going to get painted. Come on. Alright. Let me mark it and come back and cut it. Actually, I think it's going to be alright like it is. We'll just change that back out. That's why I don't ever have any daggum soapstone. I seen some holes I missed. Okay. You can irritate me if you want to. All right. Alright, I didn't bore y'all with cutting out and the cleaning and shaving metal. You've seen me rough together the piece. I still got a little more cleanup and welding to be done. But here's that corner. It's replaced. This upper piece is put back on. I got, like I said, a little cleanup. A little bit more welding to do. That right there, once it's cleaned up and smoothed and everything gets in its proper place, we'll not have a problem holding the rubber in. It pretty much mimics this one. It gets big and then shrinks down and opens back up again. And I've got it here where it's big, shrinks down, and opens back up again. I ain't gonna do a video on the other two pieces because that there is a straight piece and pretty much cut and dried. And same goes for this one right here. It's just a straight run. Like I said, once you get your square tubing sized and fit where it's going to fit inside here, before you weld it in, leave this lip, cut the top out of it, cut the back, cut this top of it. I'll come over here to the square tubing. All right, if this was a square tube and it was cut to go into place, you want to come in, leave a little lip. You can shorten the lip later with the roll lock. But you want to come in, scribe your line, cut it here, and then cut it dead off this corner so that you have a lip to pinch that rubber up in there. Once you have your size to fit, you cut the channel out, get it in place and weld it, and it's not that big a deal. I think it's about $130 for this section up to here, and about $100 for this top one. And then you're looking at this bottom section here, which would be another $100 or so, and you're only cutting pieces out of it. So for $20, I'm gonna have it patched and have some left over for something else. Well, I appreciate y'all coming in for this. I'm not a teacher, I'm not an instructor, but I'm trying to show you a little what I do. There's lots of ways to save money. Just got to be a little inventive. All right, everybody have a great day.